Senior Cup title.
And in cricket, the Kingston still on football, the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association, KSAFA, kicked off their 60th year anniversary with a church service on Sunday at the Holy Trinity Catholic Cathedral. President of KSAFA, Mark Bennett, outlined a series of events that will form a part of the celebrations.
We will have a calendar of events. It will involve outreach to the different communities, children homes, age infirms, where we have the elders, and also activities with the football. We plan also to have a gala on the October the 11th at the Jamaica Pegasus. We will look to honor legends of KSAFA. Persons will be identified, administrators, coaches, players. They will be honored at that event, and we look forward to that. And there are many other activities that we will unfold during the next 11 months.
Now, with 4 of the 6 teams left in the playoffs of the Jamaica Premier League being KSAFA members, the association prides itself as being one of the best in the land. Bennett says he intends to continue the growth of the clubs in KSAFA.
We are in the era of professional football, and that is one of the things that we want to move the club from that, not just being a community link club, but one that is in the business, sports business. We want to move the club to understand that they are not just a team that represents a community, they are actually a sporting business, and as such they have to progress to that height. We intend to put in place some regulation, compliance, and also to teach them how to the things that are necessary to move the game beyond what it is today. Not everything will work, say, in the first year, second year, but certainly we want to lay the foundation to ensure our clubs will be around for 60 years, and by extension, the association.
KSAFA was founded on April 25, 1965.